Katanat CSR jangka company Star Cement numshnong harangkat ka jentri lang berka blood bank jawai. Hakas ngisajan jangka teo bena syudap kala Pynlong ya ka program no synñiang ka snam lani ka blood donation camp. Ya ka tega program la Pynlong Star Club ha company Star Cement. Nakalang ka Dr. Pishela ka bade ka in charge jangka jawai blood bank. Kalau baka company Star Cement kadai ka balala ban ai ka jino synñiang ka bahe tam ne ka baraba tam syaka blood bank jawai. Bad halor kan ne kum kada ka jing burom ka Dr. Shela kala ai da ka momento syu manager jangka CSR u king shock ke bora. Ubah sim kia kini ka kam. Ha kini ka blood donation kam. Bala Pynlong keladan hadu arposan ngut kino trei jong ka company Star Cement ki balwan syakamat banok synñiang ka snam. Badia kini ki balwan synñiang ka tenat jong ka blood bank na jawai kalai da ki sernot. Ki doktor ki balai don lang hakti ka program ki kan tubru ka doktor ai krim Dr. Kasi lembar ka kanhun jong ki na jawai blood bank.
Then you know that you're saving someone there in the hospital fighting with death, and most of them. And most of those patients who are fighting with death are the mothers. So, in a way, that you are the people who prevent the children from being left orphaned. So, a big clap to you once again. There are a number of benefits that you can get from blood donation, and a number one benefit is a good health. By donating blood, you kind of release the excess iron from your system. Iron is very important for the body, but when it's in excess, as the saying goes, that nothing in excess is excess of nothing is good. Anything in excess is always bad. So iron also, when it's in excess in your body, then it'll give you a number of sicknesses. Okay? If it gets deposited in the heart, you'll get heart disease. Deposited in the liver, you get liver diseases, and on and on. So by donating blood, it's kind of depleting the excess iron, and thereby you get a good health. And number two, when you donate blood, each and every unit that we take from here will be testing. There are 5 mandatory tests that we do in all the blood banks. And suppose that unknowingly you have some sickness, then it gets detected soon and you can get a treatment earlier, faster. The faster you get the treatment, the faster you get the recovery. So before I sit down, I would like to say once again thank you to the Star Cement and to the CSR Department of Star Cement in particular. Your contribution to the blood center of Jawai Civil Hospital is enormous. And I am very happy to be standing here to tell you that the blood transfusion, the State Blood Transfusion Council Meghalaya Shillong also acknowledges your contribution towards our blood bank. And I have one memento from their side, and I'm very happy to be standing here on their behalf to present this memento to you, to say thank you so much. So I would like to call our representative from the CSR department, that is Mr. Pynlong himself, to accept this small appreciation from the State Blood Transfusion Council Meghalaya.
Blood bank who has come over here for this beautiful day, and also our donors. I really appreciate and acknowledge your effort for this noble cause. I can remember one day, doctor has said that we are donating blood, and definitely we are donating, but one day I can remember one of my staff has some problem over there in July, and suddenly he called me that he is not able to manage blood from there in Woodland Hospital. Then I called her, and on that time he has supported and provided the blood unit to them, my staff, and I really thankful for your kind support on that. Actually, sometimes it happens that when we donate blood, in return of that we can access the blood from the blood bank, but it was not happening like that because the patient was not able to in such position to donate blood at the time.
On behalf of Star Cement, Department of CSR, I extend my sincere thanks to all the officials and doctors from Juai Blood Bank. And as well as also I like to thank to our donors also who have donated blood for this noble cause. And for the Star Cement, it's not the first time that we are having this kind of activity. And prior to 2 years back also we are having the same activity, and we are regularly donating blood for our strengthening the blood treasury of our blood bank in July. And this activity will be continued for next year also. And we assume that by this contribution we are able to serve for the entire people of the district and the entire people of the Jaintia Hills.